What happened to your iPad, you said, sir?
So I was playing Roblox and I raged and I pulled the charger out really hard and it hit my iPad and it broke.
Broke the screen? Oh my gosh. Wow. Don't worry. I got you. We are going to clean it first and then fix the screen. Let's go! Surgery time. Your iPad is ready, sir. Now it's good to go. Sir? Sir? Sir is gone. Well, that's how it looks.
Let's go. Yo, I'm like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it, fuse like a magnet. Lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9. If the shoot tastes sour, you should taste mine. I'ma stay in power for a long time. Get up, nah, I ain't a quitter. Toss me the ball, I'm a really big hitter. Big picture, I'm a straight killer. Rising the song to the highest bidder. Got juice, got gas, I'ma move fast. New shoes, new tracks, like who's that? I'm new, come back, better than last. Yeah, it's a new me, never gonna look back.